Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions. These most loved Turkish dramas will grab your heart from the very first episode and keep you hooked till the end. If you're new to Turkish series, don't worry, you can watch them with English subtitles. Let's dive in. At number 1, we have Bir Sevdadır, Tears of a Bride. In the southeast region of Turkey, 17-year-old Yesil faces a harrowing ordeal when she's assaulted by her cousin and becomes pregnant. On the brink of marrying her assailant, a soldier named Ersin rescues her, but their escape leads to tragic consequences. Yesil finds herself in prison, raising her 2 children within its confines. Her path crosses with Yasin, a famous footballer who brings a glimmer of hope into her challenging life. Will Yesil overcome her past and find happiness? At number 2, we have Gaddar, No Mercy. Dahan Yalçın returns home from military service to find his family shattered and his neighborhood overrun by crime. His girlfriend, Aydın, is missing and his loved ones are in turmoil. Reluctantly, Dahan becomes a hitman to protect those he cares about, diving deep into a world of crime and moral ambiguity. Can Dahan save his family without losing himself? At number 3, we have Sene Hayatma, My Wonderful Life. This series follows the journey of individuals striving to find happiness amidst life's challenges. Each character's story intertwines, showcasing their struggles, dreams, and the pursuit of a wonderful life. Will they achieve the happiness they seek? At number 4, we have Hudutsuz Sevda, Boundless Love, a passionate tale of love that knows no boundaries. This drama explores the lengths to which individuals will go for the ones they love. Set against various backdrops, the story delves into themes of sacrifice, devotion, and the challenges that come with profound affection. Can love truly conquer all? At number 5, we have Sand Kokusu, Chest Smell. A mysterious aroma leads a group of individuals to uncover secrets buried deep within a chest. As they delve into the past, they confront long-hidden truths that challenge their perceptions and relationships. What revelations await them? At number 6, we have Yabani, Wild, set in the untamed landscapes of Turkey. Wild tells the story of survival, identity, and the clash between civilization and nature. Characters navigate personal and external wildernesses, seeking meaning and connection. Will they find their place in the world? At number 7, we have Kuduz Fatihi Selahuddin Ayyubi, Conqueror of Jerusalem, Saladin. This historical drama chronicles the life of Saladin, the legendary Muslim leader known for recapturing Jerusalem during the Crusades. The series showcases his strategic prowess, chivalry, and the challenges he faced in uniting the Muslim world. How did Saladin's legacy shape history? At number 8, we have Kızıl Goncalar, Redbuds, a touching narrative about love, loss, and rebirth. Redbuds follows characters as they navigate the complexities of relationships and personal growth. The blooming redbuds symbolize hope and new beginnings. Will the characters embrace the changes in their lives? At number 9, we have Inci Taneleri, Pearl Grains. This series delves into the lives of individuals connected by a shared past. Much like pearls on a string, as they confront their histories, they uncover truths that bind them together. What secrets lie beneath the surface? At number 10, we have Bahar, centered around a resilient woman named Bahar. This drama portrays her journey through life's trials and tribulations, facing societal pressures and personal challenges. Bahar's story is one of strength, love, and perseverance. Will she find the happiness she deserves? These series offer a rich tapestry of stories that will captivate you from the very first episode. Which drama are you most excited to watch? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Turkish drama recommendations. See you in the next video.